Hello, my friend. What is your name?
My name is Sudi.
Sudi? Sudi is our guide today.
Yeah. I'm local people at Sekumpul Waterfall.
Sekumpul Waterfall. And it's 7 waterfalls?
The best 7 waterfall. Total is around 9 waterfall. Yeah.
Okay, we're basically in the jungle. Hello! Hello! Okay, we're going through the jungle.
And then that one.
And people just like they just live here?
Yeah, around here.
Okay.
This is the real local house here.
Mm. Oh, that duck has hair.
Yeah.
Duck has hair? Alright. Village looking kind of lit.
This is the Balinese orange.
Hello, hi. Apa kabar?
Bye.
Bye bye.
This is my mom.
Your mom?
Yeah.
Oh. You were born and raised here?
Yeah.
Yeah. Have you ever left Bali to like Jakarta or?
No, only
No?
Bali. Because hard when we go to Jakarta.
Yes.
We have lot kind of the coffee.
Okay.
The special is avocado coffee and luwak coffee. Luwak coffee,
Uh-huh.
when you want, you can try here because I
Careful.
say when you want because that is poop coffee.
I don't know what that is.
Coffee from animal.
Oh. What animal?
Luwak look like a cat.
Oh.
Luwak eat the coffee
Yeah.
and they get fermentation on the stomach.
And then
after
you collect that
poop,
and then
yeah, we collect. Somebody call cat poop chino.
Cappuccino. That's funny.
Okay.
When you say
Oh,
okay,
yeah.
what do you say?
Yeah.
Yeah. But what's yeah?
Yeah, that is Balinese. I say, yeah. That is like a slang,
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
like a slang.
So you want to go out to the party today? Yeah.
Yeah.
Motorcycles.
And then this is our waterfall. You can make picture.
Waterfall?
Yeah.
Ah, nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. I didn't know it would be this impressive. Hello.
Hola.
How are you? Apa kabar? Baik.
This is mango.
Saya dari Korea. Saya cinta kamu. No? Suka. Cinta Indonesia. Si saya. Oh, I know one more. Bangsat. Bangsat. No.
This
Because
crazy bird.
Bangsat. Okay, we come back.
Yes.
Bye bye. Oh, it's so good. Got all types of plants. They're self-sustaining. Everything's in the jungle. We got bananas, oranges, dragon fruit. Not dragon fruit. Durian. Oh my god, that is beautiful. Woo-hoo-hoo! My god.
I'm glad we went.
What? Oh my god. What is this? What the fuck? Now we're going down these pretty steep steps.
this stair, I say. Later on the.
We're going through the steps to reach that waterfall. It's the vibes are really nice. Like you have a lot of plant energy. Photos. Oh. Alright, we're gonna go in here. Matt. 왜 이렇게 힘들어해? 아직 마음의 준비가 안 됐어. 아직. Okay. We just finished our first waterfall and we're gonna go to the second waterfall. Let's go. Eric. We're now advancing towards our second waterfall, which is gonna be there. Oh, that's a lot of water. Okay, here's the vibe. Look at that. That right there is gold. Me in like 2-3 years. Hello. Hi. Apa kabar? Bye. Right, careful. Woo! Where are you guys from? Sekumpul. I was in Prague. Like 3 weeks ago. Yeah. Amazing city. One of the best. Feeling all of the good energy from the jungle. This is the last one, and that's the waterfall. I'm gonna go in there and then get the pressure of the water. Let's go! Okay, we're gonna go up and ride the motorcycle the rest of the way. I would love to take a motor taxi. Can you do motorcycle up?
Yeah.
Yeah?
It's a good drive.
Testing? Yes, let's do. Yeah, why not? All different,
Chocolate
huh?
coffee.
I do want to
This
sleep
one
today.
the coconut coffee.
Mhm.
This avocado coffee.
Avocado
This one
coffee.
Yeah, ginger coffee and this one the vanilla coffee. I have also lemongrass tea, pandanus tea, marcella tea, mangosteen tea, ginger tea, and this one the herbal tea.
You can
Oh my god, I can share everything
enjoy,
here?
yeah.
Okay, I go with avocado coffee first.
Take sips. Is this the cat with the poop?
Avocado coffee. Alright, see you guys. Hello. Yeah, baby. Matt. Hello. If you guys ever get a chance to come to Bali, you guys definitely have to do. Especially go under that waterfall and get some of that water energy.
I got a lot of recommend from Instagram.
Oh. I tag your Instagram.
Yeah,
here.
of course.
Okay. Bye bye.
Thank you so much.
Bye. Thank you.
very much.
Thank you. Very good energy, man.
Yeah, right.
Yes. Bye bye.